Hi everyone, if you've been using a MidJourney for a while and you've probably noticed that as powerful as sometimes it struggles with the hands and faces, the weird fingers, extra limbs, and facial features. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix the hands and faces. As we all know that the hands and faces are the most complex, the detailed part of an image of the AI models to render accurately. And here's how to fix the unprompt tips. You need to be extremely specific in your prompt. You need to mention the hand positioning, facial expression, eye direction, lighting, and symmetry. Add a perfect hands or perfect face to your prompt. Use a realistic photography or studio lighting reference and include an aspect ratio adjustment and the leverage vary in Discord's upscale tool. You can also use a remix mode to tweak the problem areas. Activate it by tapping the settings in the Discord and enabling the remix. This allows you to slightly adjust the prompts for specific images without starting over. And here, getting a flawless hand and faces in MidJourney takes a bit of practice. But these prompt tricks, aspect ratio settings, and the very tool, you'll be generating a clean, professional quality AI portraits in no time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.